Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, men and women of goodwill. My name again still remains Onyebuchinwa Ashiburo, known as the Great Seer or the Sea of the Seer, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. You are welcome to this very morning program. I wish you well. This is the month of December. Many of you people are returning back to your various villages, courtesy of the fact that we made Ala Igbo secured. Many of them are gallivanting. Oh, we made Ala Igbo secured. No, we are the people who made Ala Igbo secured. If you check the events of the day, you will see those of us broadcasting, exposing the evil and the sponsorship of killing of Christians in Nigeria are the people who made Ala Igbo secured. Because the terrorists themselves are afraid to invade Ala Igbo because of the way that we speak about it on social media. They are afraid these very people are going to take this matter to social media again. If we do this now, they will go back to social media again. So they never wanted to do anything. They never wanted to hurt anyone because of the broadcasting on social media and how we have used social media as a tool to create awareness. So they are afraid. They are afraid. I thank each and every one of you who are listening to me from your own domicile. Just know that Elohim, the creator of heaven and earth, will reward you according to your own deeds, not me. I have no power of rewarding anyone. The only power that I have here is on social media talking. And I have sworn an oath never to insult you no matter whatever. I have sworn an oath never to insult you no matter whatever. And so help me God. Help me to fulfill this thing. Because insulting most of you will never show the desire to change you, because most of you are like easy. I am not insulting you, but I'm just analyzing the level, please. So I have sworn an oath not to insult you, and I have said I will only analyze videos from Nigeria. I am not going to do my own analysis anymore. I will only analyze video from Nigeria. Please hit the like button and share this very program. On this very day, I want to put the video of Nigerian soldiers, Kadek, the ladies of the Kadek. Very, very pretty dancers at that. Please let us go and watch them and know what they have to tell all of us who are Nigerians. Please watch.
I am a cadet, you are a civilian, is that clear? I'm going to finger fuck and castrate your father, is that clear?
Yes, I'm a cadet, you are a civilian, is that clear? I'll finger fuck your mother and fuck castrate your father, is that clear? Okay, oh boy, your girlfriend can never be like me, is that clear? Your girlfriend can never be like me, is that clear?
We're doing something now.
If you fumble with my bridesmaids, you will feel it, is that clear? Okay, this is military. You guys enjoy, we feel it.
If you mess with my void mate, if you assume with my void mate, you will feel it.
Exactly.
Well, these girls are going to hang your soul.
Is that clear? I will castrate your soul, is that clear?
So wow, this is our own Nigerian military. Ha! One Nigeria now. In fact, one Nigeria is even in my blood now. Hey! Now in the Nigeria. Our Nigerian soldiers. Oh, these are pretty dancers. They will finger fuck your father. Hey! Chineke mere anyị ebere. They will finger. Gabriela. Bobrisky. Is Bobrisky living in them? Because it's Lele living in them. This is what our soldiers, our beautiful soldiers nowadays train. Instead of them training how to cop Boko Haram, they are training on how to buy civilians. All their this thing is on civilian. And they said they are securing civilians. They are the ones telling the civilians they will buy them. They will even eye their father. Before they eye their father, then go dip their hand inside their father's totoros. Nike. I'm not the one saying it. So you do not say that I am doing I am insulting Nigeria. Don't say that. You know I have become one Nigerianist now. We are preaching the gospel of Nigeria. And what is the gospel of Nigeria? The soldiers are the strength of any country. The soldiers are saying they will buy your father. They will buy your mother because they are now cadet and you are a civilian. And the soldier is there to save you. Is that not what they said? But the soldier is telling you, I'm not here to save you, I'm here to buy you. Please, this is not me. I am analyzing the video from Nigerian military. Their soldiers are telling you, we are not here to save you. We are here to buy you. You're a civilian. Is that clear? And they went as far as telling you that your girlfriend can never be like them. If you fumble, what they mean that if you fumble is that there was a video of a civilian that they tied to their barrack, beating, and that civilian saw another lady and said, please, auntie, look, this I did not do. Immediately he said, please, auntie, that one wasn't. Are you, and take an offense that the guy is insulting her for please, auntie. So that is part of what they are saying if you fumble. So if you tell me, please, auntie, I will woz you. I will castrate you because you told me, please, auntie. That is what they are telling you. It is an animal kingdom called Nigeria. They don't train on anything else. They train on insults. They train on leveraging on your own buy. We have come a long way, and this is the truth we are preaching undilutedly. Ana kwa akunya mmiri. Apụtara m ebe abịa eme mesimesi. Apụtara m ebe a to tell you that truth. Now you have many videos to watch. After you watch the Nigerian cadet, in case Nigerian soldiers are coming to your community to secure you, those people telling you that, look at what the soldiers are telling you. We are coming to is that not what they are telling? I will finger. Is that clear? Is that clear? Is that clear? Is that clear? And this is army of a nation. Na ka ishigo nebe apụta na ịkọ akụkọ ndị Nigeria na ọdụ nnọọ ka ịkọ akụkọ ndị Boko Haram. Ịma extraordinary every day. Just like African magic. Let us go move to another video. Please watch this one.
Allah, dear, you cannot stop me. I must say it to the public. Allah, they must hear. You can't stop me. Allah. All right. Out of 44 local government that we have in Kano State, hear me well, only 10 of them are headed by Hausa people. But the rest of the 34 are headed by Fulani people. And guess what? There is no single local government in Kano State which the number of Fulani residing in that area outnumber that of Hausas. Not anyone, not even single one. Why? What led me to conduct this research is what happened recently in Dawakin local government, where a Fulani man, that is the one that is heading the local government as a chairman, sees some plot of lands from the indigenous house.
Chai! Nigeria issue is extraordinary every day, just like African magic. This is happening in the north. Out of 44 local government that they have in the north, 34 is being headed by Fulani, and it is coming your doorstep the next time. They are forcing Fulani in Igbo land. And they are telling you they have no other place to go to. They are pastoralists. Anywhere they go, they become indigenous. Hope Uzodinma have gave them land. And many, even in Enugu State, they have gave them land. The only governor that is exceptional is the one of Abia State. Is the one of Abia State for now. You know, Nigerian politicians, you cannot guess whom they are. He's the only different one. For now, I don't know about tomorrow. And I'm still waiting for his tomorrow action. You know, they are not sincere in Nigeria. But if tomorrow he continues this way, we will name him a godsend. But for now, he's just like ordinary politicians who meander for their political gain. Yeah, that's the only person exceptional. It is coming your doorstep, so Ndimo. Very soon, Fulani will be heading your government and even your state because they have no other place to go to. There is people that call themselves Fulani of Imo State. In case if you don't know that, I'm letting you to know there is Imo State Fulani. Okay, you don't know. Maybe they are the ones that hope Uzodinma is going to, hope Uzodinma. You know, I said I will not insult anyone again on this very platform. Maybe they are the ones that hope Uzodinma will hand over to. You know, the man is very, very in love with the Fulani people. He loves one Nigerianist, and one Nigerianist rose in his blood. He can sell his community for chicken. After all, there are people that are being pied even in his village at his own command. His people were imprisoned. Go to his community and ask on his own command. Oh! I forget that I'm only one Nigeria. Now, President one Nigeria. Hey, Hope Uzodinma our best governor. Hope Uzodinma our best governor. The only governor near our land to the Fulani. Hope Uzodinma even our best. Oh, one day, Hope Uzodinma, the best governor from Supreme Court. Since Anachi, I elect even though that there are selection. But this one is exceptional. All the way from Supreme Court comes the governor. From fourth to first. From fourth to first. Hope. The only governor Chitarandi Ndami, Nimo State. The only governor nwere obi gbuo ụmụnne n'Imo State to protect one Nigeria. Hey, I had a the governor, Mr. Governor. Hey, I like if I go with this man. Lekwana anya ka nnetu ya aha. Aha nnetu ya ama m na ọ dị mma. Achọ m itu ya aha dị njọ. The only Supreme Court governor. The only man nwere obi chita ndị amị wee gbuo ụmụnne ya. The only man actually Okpochie, one of Imo State. The only man on actually ụmụnne ya tini menga n'Imo State. Hope ichi alai. Ichi alai nke na atọ m ichi alai. This is the fate of those who want one Nigeria. It is a scam. It is a scam, pure scam. What is happening? Just imagine the life of Hausas. And the guy is telling you that there is no local government that how Fulani is even up to anything compared to the Hausa people. But they lead 34 local government. The Hausa land becomes, the Hausa people becomes distant. And he said, the only thing that made him to conduct that research is because the local government chairman of a particular area collected indigenous land from the Hausa people, and tomorrow they will give it to Fulani. You know, they are the ones buying is buying. And when you are security conscious that they cannot buy you, they come through your local government. If they do not come through your local government, they come through your state government. You are all of you are in siege unless you reject that contraption. Anybody supporting the government of Nigeria is indebted to killings of innocent people. That is what they do. The foundation is already faulty. Anyone preaching to you, one Nigeria, you have no other country, tell that person, foul. How can you have a murderous country? A country that your life cannot be guaranteed. A country every time they tell you they kidnap many communities inside bush, and you say you have security apparatus in that country. Apart from Fulani person, the way that they pursue the Eastern Security Network, and they buy the people, the way that they pursued BLA, and that buy people's children, then when it comes to Fulani, they don't have resources. Even when you see them on video doing TikTok, Nigeria don't have resources. The NIA don't have resources. The Nigerian Navy don't have resources. The Nigerian Air Force don't have resources. The Nigerian military don't have resources to track them. When they answer phone, even you saw them in one distance. They are moving on their motorbike. You saw a Nigerian military calling their own brother at the checking point that the Fulani is coming, that Allah allow them to pass. This is how they roll. They call each other on phone. We are coming, allow us to pass. Nigerian army are complicit to your own buying. It's not a child's play. Look at the Nigerian military telling you how to is that clear? Because that is what they are trained for. Immediately, for a military to graduate, that military must know how to buy innocent people. If they don't know how to buy innocent people, they will not graduate. Is that your fate? Is that what you want for yourself and for your children and for your unborn children? Is that what you want? I am Nwashiburobi, please. Only truth is what I preach here. Please watch another video and I will be right back.
If they cover governors now, they will still be exposed to corruption that surrounds this government. If you allow them to take government from Tinubu, all the governors will go to jail. They will be exposed. So the best thing is all the governors should work together and be serious about the coming election. If any government does not save Tinubu, you too will not be safe. That is the secret of what God has revealed. If any government does not save Tinubu, you too will not be safe.
So this is your pastor. This is your pastor. God don't go kwa kai kai. This is the pastor that came out the other time to praise Tinubu. To praise Tinubu. And now the pastor have made a U-turn to tell you, the governor, sir, you must elect him. There is a corruption on all of you. You must elect him or else you go to jail. It is only in Nigeria that a pastor, men of God, the people that call themselves men of God, are advising people. Elect that person. If you do not elect him, you will go to jail because you know that you are corrupt. So that your corruption will be forgiven. Elect him. And you call him man of dog. This is only happening in Nigeria. Oluwara Masata. That is the Nigeria of all of you. The Nigeria where they buy you. The Nigeria where your life is not guaranteed. The Nigeria where the government buy you for anything. That is the type of country that you are. And that is the type of country that you will continue to be. I am Onyebuchi Nwashiburobi, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. I am Onyebuchi Nwashiburobi, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. eziokwu nke Chineke a na-akọ mmiri, eziokwu nke Olisa bi n'igwe. You just have to hit the like button and share this very program amicably, because truth is bitter. Eziokwu nke Chineke ka m bịara ikwu, eziokwu nke Olisa bi n'igwe ka m bịara ikwu. I have no power of my own, but the power of Almighty Chukwu Okike Abiama is the only thing that moves me. The power of Almighty God in heaven is the only one thing that moves me. That's the power. Are you listening to the pastors of Nigeria? These are your pastors, and these are the men who will tell you, oh, we are here for you. We preach the gospel of corruption. We preach the gospel of redemption on your own quarter. These are them. May Almighty God in heaven pity you, and may He have mercy upon you. I am Washibrobi, please, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. Eziokwu nke Chineke a na-akọ mmiri. And you must know that truth is bitter. You must know that truth is bitter. Now let us go. Ha! Kebe me bido happy beer. Where can I start and leave the rest? Where will I start and leave the rest? Elebe me bido happy beer. Nigeria will never save all of you. They have come to occupy your land. Even pastors are telling you that there is corruption. The governors know about the buying of civilians, but they keep quiet. They know about the surrounding of civilians, but they kept quiet. Do you know why? It favors them. And now, pastors are using it as a preaching, as a gaslighting. Oh, vote to Tinubu or else you go to jail. You know that you are corrupt. You know that you have stolen money. Vote him. But guess what? Tinubu will not be there on second tenure. Tinubu will not be there. Tinubu's government will be like Goodluck Ebele Jonathan government. Only one tenure. They should doubt me at their own peril. This is not even buying for the very first time in the history. Another arm, executive arm, stood up to tell you that on your mandate we shall stand, which means no hope for the common man. When a senator stood up to praise the executive, on your mandate we shall stand, which means if the executive is corrupt and you take it to the house of the red chamber for them to probe that person, they will sing to you, on your mandate, Bala, on your mandate, Bala, on your mandate, we shall stand. Just imagine if an Igbo man is the president of that Nigeria and the senators did this thing. Just imagine the newspapers. Just imagine what they will write. Oh, no hope for the common man. The Senate is compromised. There is total overhaul. In fact, we reject Nigeria. All of them will be rejecting Nigeria. But when they do it, and you say you reject Nigeria, they come after you. I am Washibrobi, and the only thing that I preach on this very platform is nothing but the undiluted truth. Till I come your way next time, remain blessed, please. Bye for now.